What's up, internet? I'm Austin Castro, and so with Halloween right around the corner, I figured, you know what? It's time to get a costume. Not necessarily for me, but for my fluffy little kitty Google. You guys might remember him from the unicorn cat video I did a while back, so it's time to dress him up once again. And this time, I figured we'd do a little Nyan Cat costume. He already hates me, so you know what? Wow, I got you 2 bags of treat this time. Making the costume was a complete pain and struggle, but you know what? It's all worth it now for this very moment. You ready for this, kitty? That's beautiful. There we go. Hi. He's so dumb.
How's it, Austin?
Oh,
here we go again.
I'm so ashamed.
Oh, he looks so happy, Austin. Stand up.
There we go. Oh, be free. These squirting rainbows. Alright guys, that's it for this Nyan Cat costume. Thank you guys so much for watching. No animals were harmed in making the video. It's horribly annoying. See, look how happy he is. Such a happy kitty. Look at that fluffy kitty. So happy. So happy. So much happiness. Special thanks to Greg and Samantha for helping out. Yay! And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! He's happy now. Bye!